Ditch the quick fixes. Join me as I take on 30 days of natural healing with herbs, mindfulness, and ancient remedies. Can we truly heal naturally? Let's find out. Are you tired of feeling stuck in a cycle of stress, fatigue, and constant health issues? Stick around because this video is for you. Let's dive into the powerful world of natural healing together. Why natural healing? In today's fast-paced world, we've been conditioned to believe that health comes in the form of a pill. Chronic stress, anxiety, inflammation, and fatigue have become the norm, and our healthcare system is often focused on treating symptoms rather than addressing the root causes. But what if we flipped the script? What if we started looking at health as something we actively cultivate rather than something we fix when it's broken? That's exactly why I'm doing this challenge, to explore the true potential of natural healing, and I want you to join me. Conventional medicine has its place. It has saved countless lives, but it also has its limitations, especially when it comes to chronic conditions. Too often, we're handed a prescription without a conversation about what's actually causing our symptoms. Did you know that chronic inflammation is at the root of many modern health issues? From digestive disorders to autoimmune diseases, our bodies are constantly fighting an internal battle due to poor diet, stress, and environmental toxins. Natural healing aims to get to the core of these problems instead of just masking them. One of the biggest lessons I've learned is that our health is deeply interconnected. Your gut health affects your mood. Your stress levels impact your immune system. Everything in your body works together, and treating one symptom in isolation often leads to more imbalances. Natural healing takes a holistic approach, considering factors like nutrition, stress management, movement, and sleep. It's not just about what you eat, it's about how you live. 30-day challenge with different healing methods. Healing foods. I'll be eliminating processed foods and focusing on anti-inflammatory, nutrient-dense meals. Think turmeric, ginger, leafy greens, and gut-friendly foods like fermented veggies. I'll be incorporating herbs like ashwagandha for stress, chamomile for better sleep, and peppermint for digestion. Mindfulness practices, meditation and breathwork will be a part of my daily routine to manage stress and calm my nervous system. I'm trying acupuncture to support my body's natural healing process and exploring energy healing. Movement and nature therapy, gentle movement like yoga, stretching, and daily walks in nature to boost circulation and reduce stress. Detoxing from toxins, swapping out chemical-laden products for natural skincare and cleaning products to reduce my toxic load. Now, let's talk about the science behind these methods. Studies have shown that turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Acupuncture has been proven to stimulate the nervous system and release natural painkillers. Meditation reduces cortisol levels, helping lower stress and anxiety. Gut health is directly linked to mental health. Imbalances in gut bacteria can lead to anxiety and depression. Natural healing isn't just folklore, it's backed by research. I want to share a powerful story with you. Meet Sarah, a 35-year-old mom of two who struggled with chronic fatigue syndrome for years. She tried every medication, every doctor, yet nothing worked. Finally, she turned to natural healing. By changing her diet, incorporating herbal remedies, and practicing mindfulness, Sarah's energy levels skyrocketed. She felt more alive than she had in years. Stories like hers remind me why this journey is worth it. My experience so far, what's working? I'm about a week into this challenge, and here's what I've noticed so far. Less bloating and better digestion. More energy in the mornings. A sense of calm from daily meditation. Clearer skin, possibly from reducing inflammation. Let's bust some common myths about natural healing. Myth: natural remedies take too long to work. Fact: while some results take time, many people experience benefits within days or weeks. Myth: you have to give up modern medicine. Fact: natural healing complements conventional medicine. It's about balance. Myth: it's expensive. Fact: many remedies, like herbal teas and meditation, are affordable or even free. If you're inspired to start your own journey, here's how. Start small. Add one natural remedy to your routine, like drinking herbal tea or practicing breathwork. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how different foods and habits make you feel. Reduce toxins. Swap out processed foods and chemical-laden products gradually. Seek guidance. Follow holistic practitioners, read books, and stay informed. Be patient. Healing takes time. Trust the process. How to heal naturally. Natural healing is about reconnecting with our bodies, trusting in the wisdom of nature, and making empowered choices about our health. This challenge is just the beginning, and I can't wait to share my full experience with you. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried any natural remedies that worked wonders for you? Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to learn from you. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next update on my journey. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy, stay empowered, and let's heal naturally together.